Welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about how AI is revolutionizing the automobile industry. Artificial intelligence is playing a crucial role in improving safety standards in cars. AI-powered sensors can detect potential dangers on the road and alert drivers accordingly. Self-driving cars are becoming a reality thanks to AI technology. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to enhance fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. Manufacturers are using AI algorithms to optimize the performance of electric vehicles. AI is also being utilized to enhance the overall driving experience by providing personalized features and recommendations. Voice recognition systems powered by AI are allowing drivers to interact with their cars more effectively. AI can predict maintenance needs, reducing the risk of unexpected breakdowns and ensuring smooth operation. It can also assist in designing safer and more aerodynamic vehicles, improving performance and fuel efficiency. With the help of AI, automakers can gather and analyze customer feedback to create better and more innovative products. AI algorithms are being used to improve the accuracy and reliability of advanced driver assistance systems. By analyzing historical data, AI can predict traffic patterns and help optimize navigation systems. Automobile manufacturers are using AI for quality control in the production process to ensure high standards are met. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can assist customers with queries and provide personalized recommendations. Predictive algorithms can help automakers forecast demand and optimize production schedules. AI is being used to develop efficient routing systems for delivery and logistics companies. By analyzing real-time data, AI can optimize fleet management and reduce operational costs. Manufacturers are using AI-powered robots for tasks such as assembly line work and quality inspections. AI and machine learning can assist in identifying potential defects and avoiding product recalls. AI can help in improving the accuracy and efficiency of vehicle diagnosing and repair during maintenance. Through advanced image recognition, AI can detect and classify road signs and traffic lights. AI can analyze driver fatigue through facial recognition and alert drivers when they are becoming drowsy. Automakers are using AI to develop advanced infotainment systems with automated voice controls. AI algorithms can provide real-time weather updates and recommend the optimal driving conditions. AI is enabling the development of smart traffic management systems that can reduce congestion and improve flow. By analyzing vehicle data, AI can provide proactive maintenance recommendations to minimize breakdowns. AI is being used to develop predictive models for predicting accidents and enhancing safety precautions. With the help of AI, automakers can create personalized in-car experiences tailored to individual drivers. AI can analyze customer data to recommend the most suitable financing options for prospective car buyers. AI technology is enabling automakers to test and simulate different scenarios before releasing a new vehicle. By leveraging AI, automakers can design vehicles with improved aerodynamics for enhanced performance and fuel efficiency. AI can analyze driver feedback to improve the design and functionality of future vehicle models. Overall, stay tuned for AI more updates. Is transforming the automobile industry by improving safety, efficiency, and customer experience.